Come test drive the 2017 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.